Justice Ananga Kumar Patnaik, former judge of the Supreme Court of India. Justice Patnaik enrolled with the State Bar Council of Orissa in 1974 as an advocate. He practiced in the High Court of Orissa and subordinate courts and tribunals in the state. From 89 to 90, he was a standing counsel for Orissa State Road Transport Corporation, and he served in the Commercial Tax Department of the Government of Orissa between 1990 and 1994. He was elevated as an additional judge of the High Court of Orissa in January 94. Subsequently, he was transferred to the Guwahati High Court, where he became a permanent judge in 1995. He became the Chief Justice of the High Court of Chhattisgarh in 2005 and later that of the High Court of Madhya Pradesh. During his tenure as the Chief Justice of both states, he was known for his bold arguments and was seen to be a judge who was pro-poor and strongly supported the underprivileged classes. He served the Supreme Court of India between November 2009 and June 2014. Many congratulations, Justice Patnaik.
Good afternoon to all of you. When I was about to retire from the Supreme Court in 2014, Mr. Sibbal, who was then the Law Minister of India, came to my house one day and said, "We'd like to have you in a very important assignment." I think you recollect that. And I told him, "Mr. Sibbal, after retirement as Judge of the Supreme Court, I don't think I should take up any assignment." Soon thereafter I retired. That's when the government had changed. And Mr. Soli Sorabji gave the first reception in my honor after retirement. Then two ministers of the Modi government sat on my table. One was Mr. Jaitley, then the Finance Minister. The other was Mr. Ravi Shankar Prasad, the Law Minister. They came and sat beside me and said, "Would you like to take up any government assignment?" I was reminded of what I had told him. I said, "Sorry, both of you, I would not like to take up any government assignment," because I thought then, after Supreme Court, what assignment? That was my approach. Then I always never thought that I would be given an award by anybody. I was not expecting the award also. Years passed by, and then suddenly this award is offered by them. I became very curious, and that day I opened up the pages and I found Chief Justice Venkatachilia's name there. Lifetime achievement. And mind you, Chief Justice Venkatachalia was the Chief Justice who cleared my name for judge of the Supreme Court way back in 1993. And he told my wife later on in Guwahati, when he came as a Chief Justice of India, he was the first person whom I cleared below the age of 45. After ascertaining from your Chief Justice that he was exceptional. And I hope one day he comes to the Supreme Court of India. When I saw Chief Justice Venkatachilia's name as receiving the award, because we judges are very suspicious about who is giving the award. And I, for one, who was doing a lot of arbitration cases, I thought, I hope some party is not trying to influence me by giving an award. Then I ascertained and I found the credibility of this SKOCH and Mr. Samir Kochar, and I thought, yes, this is really an award given by a good jury, taking information from the consumers of, let us say, legal services, and I gladly accepted this award. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.